Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and asset protection attorney in Queens, New York. Today I'd like to speak about a blended family. I have a large number of clients that have blended families. So a child or two from past relationships and then being involved in a new relationship. So there are specific considerations to think about in dealing with that. So it depends whether or not the children are minor children. So if you have a child from a past relationship and you've begun a committed new relationship or a new marriage, how do you take care of that child? Well, do you need a testamentary trust? Do you need a provision for guardianship for that child? Right? Because remember, that child is the product of a prior relationship with a different father or mother, and that's at least a consideration and a discussion to have in the confines of an office. How do we address that? What would we like to do in the event of an untimely death while our children are still minors? How about we fast forward 20 years, 30 years, and what happens with the children of that prior relationship in your will, in your estate plan? What if you're the first to die? How do you protect your children that are not the biological children or the adopted children of your second or third spouse, right? We're getting many situations where there are people that have been married at a young age with no kids. Then they get a second marriage and they have a child or two. And then they hit a third marriage, right? Or a third long-term relationship. Well, there's no one-size-fits-all, and there's no hard and fast rule, but it's part of the conversation to have when we discuss your estate plan. If you'd like to discuss your specific situation, please reach out to me at callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.